poppin', Chef Ass?
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another food review, baby!
Yay! What you sipping?
None yet?
Can I have some?
No.
Greedy.
Sip, sip, joy.
Guys, so today, can you tell what we're going to be reviewing? Chick-fil-A, guys.
Guys, Chick-fil-A came out with a new chicken sandwich. You want to tell them what it's called?
It's called Spicy Grilled Chicken Deluxe, guys.
I can't wait to try it. I'm sorry. I started eating. We didn't even say grace. Grace.
Yep.
All right, let's eat.
I can't stand when
You know, you know you got to get the nuggets when you go to Chick-fil-A. He's the best nuggets. Well, that's my opinion.
Well, at least you rated one nugget. That's great.
We're not rating nuggets.
Oh,
We talked about this before.
you rating fries.
We're not rating fries.
Can we rate everything?
No.
But it looks so good.
We are rating the new spicy chicken sandwich.
But these are my favorite fries.
Oh, these nuggets are good. I'm sorry, guys.
These fries are my favorite fries ever in the whole world. But let's rate the burger.
Fries is alright. It's alright.
I love their fries.
It's alright.
I get a large every time.
I gotta warm up my palate by eating the nuggets for the sandwich. Because I'm not a grilled chicken sandwich person. I like my fried chicken sandwiches, my crispy chicken sandwiches. I never ever do grilled chicken sandwiches. But Chick-fil-A said, hey, we got a spicy chicken. So we said, we gotta try it.
Alright.
Hate it or love it.
Let's see what this looks like.
Ooh, damn, it got, ooh, what kind of cheese? I see the cheese.
Colby Jack cheese, guys. It has lettuce, it has tomato, it has bacon in it.
That looks good. Show them the bacon. Zoom in there. Yeah. Ooh, that looking good.
It looks good, right?
Ooh, I can't wait. I'm excited.
There's the
Chick-fil-A.
Tomato under there. Look good.
That look good.
You look real good.
Ooh, let me show y'all mine. I'm sorry. I'm over here being greedy. Let me take the bun off. Bun test. Bun is nice and soft. Y'all see that?
Nah, that was good. Bun test. I love how the bun looks like nice and grilled.
It does.
Right?
It does. You ready? Oh, let me get one more nugget. One more nugget.
That's crazy.
Ooh, I got crumbs in my beard already.
You saving it for later?
Don't worry about my crumbs. My crumbs.
Alright.
Oh, you got sausage too?
I do. Did you want a sauce?
Yes, please.
Oh, what kind of sauce do you want?
What sauce you got?
Alright, so I have ketchup.
Let me get that Polynesian
That's my favorite sauce.
and the honey mustard.
Honey mustard. I don't know if they put honey mustard. Let's see.
They ain't got no honey mustard, no mustard. That's crazy.
Oh, guys.
Yo, these chicken nuggets are banging.
Guys, this
Ooh,
burger, you gotta put the cilantro lime on this burger.
see that? So we're not even ready yet.
We're not even ready.
Give us a sec. Give us a sec. Let me.
We have to put it. That's what makes this sandwich.
Sandwich. What the hell is a sandwich?
This right here.
Spell sandwich.
S-A-M.
Mitch.
Mitch. You got it.
First, I want to try this cilantro lime. I don't know.
You a little iffy?
Yeah, I'm a little
Nah,
iffy.
But if you go to like,
Ooh.
you can't do
Ooh.
You like that?
Ooh. It tastes like a tzatziki sauce.
What's tzatziki sauce?
Oh, you know, a white sauce that when you go to get the halal food and they put that white sauce on there, that tangy white sauce.
Is it called tzatziki?
Yes, Nick. Ooh. God. But yeah, it's almost like the halal food sauce. That white sauce is tangy.
Halal sounds good.
You know what? I need a nugget. I need a nugget. Guys, I'm sorry. Hold on. Oh, you got a bag for the garbage there? Thanks. I gotta show. Let me show y'all the. What is it called? Key lime. Ooh, look at that sauce.
Wow,
action.
it's amazing.
See that sauce?
Wow, that is
What is
amazing.
it called again?
Cilantro lime.
Cilantro lime. All right.
I'm ready to bite. Take a bite.
Yeah. They like, try the damn sandwich already.
Word. I'm
All right.
sorry.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Enjoy. Oh my God. Wow. I can taste that sauce.
I'm going in. I'm going in.
I need extra packets for those of that sauce to take home. I like this little pouch thing so I don't make a mess. You would have thought this was grilled. I mean, fried.
I need another bite.
All right, Chick-fil-A. That lime sauce though? You think they gave us extra more lime sauce? No, they didn't.
I need one more bite. I'm sorry, I can't tell y'all yet.
Wow. Guys, this sandwich is delicious. I didn't even finish, and I wish I had another one. Don't judge me. This is chicken nugget in between.
Don't watch me. What's your sandwich? Sandwich.
Chicken nugget that good?
What's your sandwich? I took a break. Woo! Woo! Look at this. Woo!
That was amazing.
Man, I'm sorry. I'm. Woo! Yeah, it has a kick. I'm not gonna. Oh, you got sauce? Can I get some? What you got there?
Oh.
What kind of?
Oh. Hey!
Chicken nugget fight!
I love this sauce. Oh my God.
Let me get we over here eating everything and forgot about the sandwich review. We out of control, guys. Let me tell you, the sandwich has a kick. You know, sometimes fast food places don't know about spice. You know, we know about spice. This sandwich is spicy. If you like spice, try this sandwich. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I rated yet. I need another bite.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You all right?
Yeah, I want to rate this sandwich. Like, oh my God.
Me too. I want to rate it too, but I want to finish it because it's that good.
Yo, y'all know my scale. I always say my scale always go up to 10. Y'all know that, right? And when he go over, I be like, what are you?
You be hating.
Like,
you be hating.
No, I don't be hating. I'm like,
the scale don't go.
The scale don't even go up that high.
The scale don't even go past 10.
I don't even sound like that.
Why you give it an 11? Boo hoo hoo. The scale don't pass 10. Let me guess. You want to give this an 11 now, right?
No, I don't.
Okay. Yo, this thing got a kick.
I'm gonna give this a 12 because this sandwich is banging. Oh my God!
I think you work for Chick-fil-A. I think I think they paying you to say this. They must be. You must be sponsored by Chick-fil-A.
I wish I had another one.
I won't say all that, but
It's so good.
it's good. It's good. I don't know if I would give it a 12.
I love this.
A 12.
Yep.
Hold on, I need another bite, and then I'm gonna tell you what I think. Hold on, I ain't even try the fries.
You see how many bites he needs?
Fries is meh.
No, you're not rating the fries. You're rating the burger.
Well, you said these are the best fries ever.
That's my favorite. I just really like waffle fries. I'd rather have waffle fries than regular string fries any day. Or steak fries. Oh my God.
Guys, take a bite. Take a bite. I ain't got corona. Take a bite. One more bite. All right. I'm already full.
When I take a bite, my lettuce is crunchy. My bacon is crunchy. I could taste every condiment in every bite.
All right, Miss 12. Oh, did we tell you we put bacon on ours? Forgot to tell you that. There's bacon on our sandwich. I'm going to give this sandwich a 9. I'm gonna give it a 9. It's good. It's spicy. That cilantro lime sauce definitely goes good with it, because then you get that spice and then you get that tangy kick after. Great combination. But I'm not gonna be like, woo, 10. I give it a 9. I like it. It's good. Go try it. Tell us what you think in the comments below.
Eat this.
You want mine?
I will eat that.
All right, guys. We hope y'all like our car mukbang. Or what do you call it? Our car bang. Keep it PG, guys. Hate it or love it, we love it.
Yeah, we love it.
That's it, and we are out.